Apple will need to walk a tightrope between enticing consumers to upgrade the phones while not over-promising what 5G can do today. Highlights. The fastest speeds touted by carriers are a type of 5G called mmWave. Verizon has the largest current mmWave network. Apple will be competing against brands including Samsung in South Korea. 5G will finally get its US close-up with the expected debut of Apple's next iPhone on Tuesday. But the blazing speeds promised will not materialize for most people. The device, dubbed the iPhone 12 by analysts, can tap into 5G, or fifth-generation wireless technology, that theoretically operates as much as 10 to 20 times faster than current 4G wireless networks. Using the next iPhone or any 5G-enabled device on today's network, however, will be like having a Ferrari, but using it in your local village and you can't drive to up to 200 miles per hour, simply because the roads cannot maintain those speeds, explained Boris Metodiev, Associate Director of research firm Strategy Analytics. The applications we will be dazzled by, that will really take advantage of the network, will only be developed once the network and devices are available, said Morgan Kirk, Chief Technology Officer of closeup, a telecom equipment maker. US consumers most motivated to buy a 5G phone would be those who need a new smartphone right now and are looking to protect their investments. If you're buying a phone that you're going to have for 3 years, you're going to want to make sure that it's going to support the latest networks, said Jeff Blabber, Vice President of Research at CCS Insight. Just know what to expect, Blabber added. There's going to be relatively little that you can do on a 5G iPhone you can't do on a 4G iPhone today. Thank you for watching.
Audio Jungle.